What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw Magikoopa from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw the top edge of the nose. We'll start over on the left side. Let's draw a small half circle going up and we'll bend that back down. Let's add a fold on the side of the muzzle. On the left side we're going to step up, bend this out and down, line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now let's add the nostrils along the top. Start on the left, bending this in and down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. From the side of the muzzle, step down, curve this in, and bend that down towards the middle. Go up and out towards the right. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. And then we'll move in and draw two large fangs, coming down and angling that back up. Now I'm going to draw the lower edge of the mouth, starting from the inside of the left tooth. Curve this down and in toward the middle. Bend this back out and up towards the right. Now tuck the tongue in underneath. On the left, bend this up and in behind that point. Continue down on the right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's trace the mouth along the bottom, starting over on the left, bend this down and then in, go back out and then up. Now from here, move back up to the top and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start on the left side of the nose. Draw that oval going up towards the top, round this out, and then pull that in behind the muzzle. Let's go over towards the right, going all the way up towards the same height, come down the side, and then bend that in. Now let's trace each of these ovals along the inside, starting from the top, coming down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's fill the outside of those ovals in black. Let's connect the inside of the glasses with a curve going above the nose, and we'll fill that center area in black. Let's move out to the side, go out, come down in a straight line, and then back in, and line that up on the right, and we'll fill the ends in black. Now from the bottom corners of the glasses, we're going to curve the cheeks, going out, around, and just tuck that in underneath the chin. Now I'm going to close off the top of the hat in between the glasses with a curve. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the outside of the hat brim. Let's start from the left cheek, bend this out and then up, line this up on the right. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a curve going up above the glasses and in towards the middle. Just going to round this out and then bring that down on the right side. Now we're going to work our way up towards the top of the hat. Starting on the left side of the brim, curve the hat going up and bending that out. Let's round out the top, go straight down, and just bend that in to create a fold. Now on the side, just going to curve the right side of the hat, coming down and then out. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the arms stretched out towards the side. We start from the cheeks, draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the cuff. Let's round out the cuff, going out and then bending that in towards the bottom. Now we want to bend the arms coming in and blending in towards the fold. So we'll start on the left. Come in, and then bend that down. Let's add a thick trim around the cuff. We step in, just draw that same curve coming down. Now we're going to go back over toward the left side. We're going to add a fold, coming down, and then bending that in. Now we're going to move back up, draw the edge of the cloak, coming down and out. Let's round out the bottom, and just pull that in towards the middle. Now we're going to bend the cloak going up towards the right side. So we go across, bend that up. Just going to round this out, and pull that down towards the front of the right foot. Now we're going to tuck the foot in underneath the cloak. Starting from the end, curl this down, and then in towards the heel, and this in and up underneath the cloak. Now we see the bottom edge of the foot. Starting from the end, curl this around, come in, and then down towards the heel. Let's add a thick trim around the bottom of the foot. We'll step up, just follow that same curve going across, and then we'll separate out the heel with a straight angled line. Now add a thick fold across the cloak on top of the foot. We'll start from the outside, bend this up, come across, and then back down. Let's close off the right side of the body, starting underneath the arm, bend this in, and then out. Let's move over and draw the top of the left foot, starting from the outside of the cloak, curl this around, and then up underneath. We're also going to add the sole on the inside, so we'll step in, just blend this down towards the bottom of the foot. Now we're going to go back up and draw the hands, starting with the one on the left. Starting from the top of the cuff, start with the thumb, going up, and bending that down, round up the thumb, and pull that back in. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the wand. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going around, and then tuck that in. On the outside, we'll do that again, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's place the wand in behind the hand. Starting from the top of the first finger, draw a straight angled line, going up towards the top. And I want to continue this line on the bottom finger, coming down. Let's round out the top of the wand with a curve, and then the bottom with a smaller curve. Let's close off the inside of the wand with a straight line. Just going to angle this down in behind the thumb, and taper this down towards the bottom. Now with the wand in place, let's close off the hand with a curve. And we'll add some detail along the top. Starting from the top corner, so we curve this around, come in, and then back out. Now we're going to draw that same shape but a little bit bigger along the top. So going wider, come in, and then back out. Now we're going to add a half circle along the top of the wand. Now I'm going to move over and draw on the right hand. Starting from the top of that cuff, start with the thumb going up, and then bending that down, round up the thumb, and pull that back up. Let's add 3 fingers, starting from the side of the thumb with a half oval, step down, just tuck this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's close off the bottom of the hand with a curve, and then we'll finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Magikoopa from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.